Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. We just want to take this time to tell you a little bit about us and what you're going to find on our channel.
All right, I'm Miss Katie.
And I'm Mr. Patient.
We have 6 children, aged 6 to 25, and a young granddaughter.
Right now, we live in rural Middle Tennessee.
But we have plans to change that very soon. We're in the process of downsizing, and simplifying, and organizing, and getting our current house and 6 acres ready to sell so that we can hit the road in an RV with our 3 littles and see the nation, meet as many of our social media friends as possible, and serve others in any ways that we can. We want to do this about 1 or 2 years, and then
we're hoping the Lord will show us where He wants us to settle, and we want to be able to settle on some land and have a simpler, I don't want to say easier lifestyle, but not as stressful, not as fast-paced, trying to live as much off the land and being as self-sufficient as possible. The content you'll find on our channel includes
homeschooling,
hunting,
gardening,
blacksmithing,
raising children,
woodworking,
traveling,
yes,
cooking,
no,
baking,
sorry, I can't think of anything else.
organizing, simplifying, downsizing, leaving a pretty big home for a small RV. Your turn.
RV maintenance.
Okay. Cooking in an RV, living in an RV with children. How do we afford living in an RV? Serving others while on the road. Your turn.
Yes.
Issues with children. Your turn.
RV organization tips.
Okay. Marriage.
Adoption.
Heritage.
Keepers.
Yes, biggie. We just want to share with you our lives. We want to walk life with you. We want to build community. We want our children to learn to serve others. We want to share with you where we're traveling. We want to share with you our life's journey, and we want you to share with us. So please consider subscribing to our channel, and here's how you do that.
You can subscribe below and hit the bell to get notifications when we put out new content.
Right, and we look forward to having as many of you as we can to walk life with. have changed. Okay, but what now? Okay, here we go. But we have plans. Okay, hold on, stop.
You almost said a dirty word.
I don't know what it was. Oh, okay, here we go. Look. But we have plans to change that very soon.